Hello guys and welcome back. Today we will continue with the new Vray for Blender update, and many in the last video talked about how to switch from cycles to Vray system. Now since it's a new meta, this might look hard, but the free asset library we're exploring today should help you to get by while you're learning about Vray. So let's see what we have. See if you followed the last video and install the new Vray beta in your Blender 4.2. Then you switch to Vray render engine. You will have a Vray tab at the top bar. The Cosmos browser, which is Vray asset library. Inside, you will find over 6,000 models, 1,000 of awesome materials. Then you have HDRIs and many other cool things to get you by in fixing your scene while learning. Now before we continue with this, if you opened the Cosmos browser to find this error page, that means you probably shut down some of the Chaos apps running in the background, so you just need to go to Chaos Group folder in your C driver program files, and run this file called CB service as an administrator. Exploring this assets library should be fun, and it's well organized. Once you see any model you like, you can download it with one click, and they all are optimized for fast viewport experience. After you download anything, you will have the option to drop it in your scene with this Import Green button. It's set to preview as a proxy in solid mode, and it's quite realistic to place in any outdoor shot, so have fun with it. So an interesting way to get with Vray if you're new to it is to have a simple scene, something like this room. Then we can fix it with some models and materials from the Cosmos browser. For example, here I would need a wood flooring, a glass material for the windows, maybe even a metal for the windows frame, and getting them is the same, and they will be in the materials list. I did already download some of those materials and models, and they will be saved even if you closed Blender, so no need to download them again. I just import them directly to the scene. Now I can fix my floor and windows, then go back to bring more models to fill this empty room. A piece of sofa and a coffee table should be enough as a test. If you feel that the interior is a bit dark, we can use the Omni light as a fill light inside with a low intensity, which might need a bit of positioning and fixing to look nice. So a more easy approach is to mask or delete a hidden wall from the camera to let the sky light inside from that direction. Now the useful thing about this Cosmos browser beside the good asset is that you can select any material and look into how it's made. Some are simple with one node. Some require many bitmaps. But the process is the same to cycles. You will have the same used node like normal, bump, hue saturation, and many other ones that are easy to identify and will let you make your own material in no time. So have fun. And that's it. If you want to try the new Vray for Blender, make sure to watch our last video. Like and subscribe to keep up with this mess, and see you next time. Stay sharp. Goodbye.